right. So
okay, round 2.
Do a Dutch pour.
Dutch pour. Never done this. I'm excited.
Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and cover our canvas with some white.
So just enough to kind of coat it?
Yeah. Doesn't need to be a heavy. The thing is, you do want to kind of have it even-ish.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and just use this to spread it around, and then I'll tilt it, which will help even out those lines.
Okay.
Because otherwise the paint will move kind of at different speeds. Yeah.
See, just like resin, I just want to take my hand and like spread it around.
Which you totally can. I usually actually do.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah. Or I have like a really big spatula that takes 2 seconds.
So I'm guessing this wasn't enough, huh?
No.
Probably need a little more paint.
Yeah, just add a little more.
Okay.
Alright, then you're just going to take whatever colors. I am going to use the bronze in this because we want cells. And you're just going to put just little bits.
So will those not sell without the bronze?
Oh no, some of them will. It just depends. I haven't used all of these and I don't, but they probably will. I just know that that bronze will. So that's why I'm putting some of that in there. Plus I just really like it.
This would look good with like gold, huh?
Woo! Yeah. I put mine a little too close to the edge there.
Oh.
It's okay.
More?
And then hand me the white. I'm going to put a little white over it too.
Okay.
Because why not? And then it's good to help to put some
white around it?
Yeah, because we want it to move. Is
Got
the
it.
important thing.
Just a little white in the center.
Yeah. And there's no rules about that or anything. Of course, you just do what you want.
Okay.
All right. Hair dryer. Scalpel.
Fancy tool. Now, do you want it on high and hot or?
Cold air. High. Cold and then high.
High. All right. So this is high. This will be. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
And then I often like to, we don't have
What do you need?
a straw.
Oh yeah. I'll grab it.
Okay. So this is not like required or anything, but I just like to feather the edges more. Cool.
That is super cool. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. I
We
wish
got these
resin.
fun cells popping up.
I love the colors that it created too. The blending.
Yeah. Let's see what happens when we torch this.
Ooh.
Why not? Be cool with this. I like that.
Yeah. Let's see.
There you go.
Oh man, that's so fun.
All right. So close up here on mine. It's gonna be just a quick close up. Loving those cells from that bronze. And here is Staci's over here. Like the feathered look on the edges. So if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to check out Artisan Design Concepts on Facebook and YouTube. I'll put the links in the description. And we'll see you all next time.